Welcome to Prince Edward Island, Canada's food island, where we have everything you need to take your food products to the next level and scale your business to new heights. Making food products can be a true labor of love, but what happens when your business begins to grow and you need to scale up production? That's where we come in. At Food Island Partnership, we understand the challenges that come with scaling your business for growth. We're here to help you every step of the way, from connecting you with the right people to providing you with cutting-edge market intelligence and helping you overcome any roadblocks. Give us a call. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the resources you need to succeed. As your business begins to take off and sales start to grow, you'll need to ramp up production to meet consumer demand. That's where FoodWorks comes in. FoodWorks is a CFIA certifiable manufacturing facility where you can rent space, bring in your equipment, and scale up production to meet consumer demands. With FoodWorks, you'll have the space and support you need to help your food business grow and thrive. We're here to help you every step of the way. With FoodWorks, you can create products to export. That means your product will be in the hands of more consumers. More consumers means more opportunities for people to enjoy your great products. Book your free consultation today and learn more. Visit foodworkspei.ca to see how we can help support your business growth.